Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at LeadsHook. We'll start with the short video on the user interface, and then I'll take you through how to build a decision tree. So when you log in, you'll see a user interface that looks something like this. In your case, you most probably won't have any decision trees loaded here. The way to start or create a decision tree is to simply go ahead and create the decision tree here, but I'll cover that shortly. First thing, just the top menu items here. So dashboard is what you see here as a small chart, shows you some stats on the decision trees that you're going to create in your account and go live with. To use now the next menu item I want to look at is decision trees. If I click that, it gives you the same interface without the chart, but the menu options have changed. All right, so that gives you so that listing is the same, the listing of your decision trees, but the options available are somewhat different. You can get analytics for a specific decision tree, in this case, obviously don't have any data. Alternatively, you have a whole bunch of options over here on what to do, such as downloading your leads, archiving, the embed code, and a number of other options, okay, which I'll see in a future video. So that's the decision trees option. The next comes leads. I'll just go to leads now. This gives me all the leads that you've captured across all the decision trees. You can filter by the decision tree. These are the ones, all the ones that I've created, and also you can filter by any number of these options, such as the data you've grabbed about any person or the custom fields, and you can sort that out, delete, search. You can export decision tree, your leads as well. So you can enable the selection part, which is, let's say I only want to export these two. Go ahead and click export. 2 leads will be exported. You don't need to, you can disable that, and then you can just go click export and it'll export everybody. All right, so you can pick and choose, you can filter and then pick and choose, or any other option thereof. All right, the next thing you want to do is, these are the various options available. You can turn them on and off. We'll cover those in a future video as well. Now comes the admin section, which is where you're going to find a lot of the other options available. We'll be going through, in making the decision tree, a number of these options, but for now just know that this is where you're going to find most of your settings and things of that sort. Help is the most important menu item you'll use. You're going to go to start here to give an introductory video on a number of things you can do right now. The second thing to do is the training and courses. You have access to a whole lot of free courses and a few paid options as well, but the free courses are all available and the training and courses. We've got a community here, a knowledge base to find your various articles and quick answers. And ask for help is where you contact us, and you can post a message over here by adding in the URL of your decision tree, and when you submit this, it'll create a support ticket within our system. Now, how do you create a decision tree? Let's go to the decision trees menu. You have 2 options here. First one is import. If you're part of a training program, then you can get, then the training provider may have already created some sample decision trees for you, in which case you'll click the import button, go ahead and pick the file they give you. It's going to be a zip file, and just upload that and it'll create one of the decision trees for you, pre-done. Basically pre-done decision trees that they would have created for you. Alternatively, you can go to add new, and here you have 2 options as well. You can create one from scratch, which is a blank canvas, where you can start dragging and dropping your boxes, your nodes. And the second option is choose our template. This is where LeadsHook, all the LeadsHook templates will be sitting, and more getting added, more will be added shortly. Okay, so they're the 2 options to create a decision tree. I'll go and create an actual one in the next video, but just wanted to share with you how to go about using the add new button. So either import or add new. When you add new, you have 2 options. Right, that basically ends the basic overview of the user interface. We'll go to making the decision tree next. Thank you, and bye for now.